2026, HR is not just about people operations. It's about leading business transformation. AI is changing roles faster than ever. Skills are the new currency, and employee expectations are redefining work culture. In the next few minutes, I'll share the 7 biggest HR priorities for 2026 and how you can act on them today. Namaste and welcome to Everything About HR. I am Parveen Sehrawat, SPHRI, and if you are passionate about building a futuristic, people centric HR function, then you are in the right place. Let's decode what 2026 look like for HR professionals. Here are 7 HR priorities shaping 2026 and the steps to get ready. Lead AI transformation, build a skill based workforce, redesign work for hybrid and agility. Use people analytics for human plus AI performance. Strengthen well-being and strengthen ethical AI practices. Accelerate reskilling and career mobility. Last but not the least, redefine HR operating models for cross-functional impact. Friends, artificial intelligence is no longer a future topic. It's here. It's the time for execution. By 2026, every organization will expect HR to co-lead AI strategy, not just automate payroll and recruitment. How we can do that? To conduct a 90 days HR AI audit so that we can get a used case. Nominate an HR AI owner who can focus and launch 2 AI pilot cases so that we can have a AI policy also. By combination of these four, we can have the proper use case, we have the dedicated people, and we can work on a focused pilot based work, and we can build up a AI policy also so that the future framework can be led by that policy. Priority number 2 is the skill based talent strategy. 2026 is the year where HR moves from headcount to skill count. Instead of asking how many people do we have, leader will ask, do we have the right skills? In fact, in many organizations like us, it's a being long practice and we have been talking only on skills. How we can have the skill based strategy? Number 1, map critical skills to the business priorities. Number 2, redesign job description by the capabilities. Create internal skill marketplace. Track skill like we track revenue. And the priority number 3 is the redesign work and organization. The future workforce is hybrid, flexible, and fluid. Team will form and disband around projects in one function, one legal entity, one business unit, and beyond that. And HR must enable this. So, how we can do this? Number 1, to run a work design sprint, create manager playbooks, focus on employee experiences. Then priority number 4, if we'll go with this, the people analytics and human plus AI performance. Friends, as you know that data will define the next HR decade, but only when it's used responsibly. The new matrix is not the productivity alone, it is the impact of human plus AI together to bring the efficiency, to know the people engagement, their experience. It is very much required. How we can do that? So number 1 is that we must build a dashboard linking people insight to the outcomes, strengthen data governance, upskill HRBPs and the HR analytics team in data storytelling. And if you'll go with the priority number 5, that is well-being, inclusion, and ethical AI. In 2026, trust becomes the foundation of the employee's relationship. If AI, or for that matter any automation, threatens well-being, HR must act as the guardian of fairness. How we can do that? Again, 3-4 steps. The number 1 step is implement AI transparency policy, expand well-being programs, train leaders on empathy and safety. The Priority number 6, that is reskilling and career mobility. The half-life skills is shrinking. Continuous learning is the key steps through building micro credential pathways, increase internal mobility, and to link reskilling to the business transformation. Friends, we will have to have some unlearning programs, adaptation programs, and upskilling programs, and we must infuse internal career mobility so that we can utilize not only AI, empathy, but it will linkage with your career development and succession policies. The priority number 7, that is reconfigure HR operating models. It is the high time when HR needs to change their way of working to deliver business impact. HR must operate like a cross-functional growth partner. What we HR should do to begin with, embed HR in the business squad, shift to the impact matrix, integrate HR with the finance, IT, and other support functions. So to wrap up, here is your 2026 HR roadmap. I hope you like it. Number 1 is the lead AI transformation, build skill-based workforce, redesign workforce agility, measure human plus AI performance, strengthen well-being and ethics, reskill continuously, rebuild HR for growth. Thank you for watching Everything About HR, where we are connecting minds and shaping future. Please do comment below which of these priorities you will start with in 2026 and subscribe for more insight. Thank you so much.